In this video, we're going to take a look at how our WebTop integrates with Microsoft SharePoint 2010. I'm going to cover how easy it is to deploy it, as well as access SharePoint resources from an end user's perspective. Let's start with deployment. I've already logged in with administrative privileges, so I can go straight to my Cloud Control panel. Choose Groups, and choose my marketing group. In this example, that'll be the department I want to create a SharePoint resource for. From here, I go to Edit mode. Then check the SharePoint Resources selection box. That enables the SharePoint Resources menu option in the options bar on the left side of the screen here. Now we can pick a template for our SharePoint site. We'll say this is a document workspace. Once that's done, I can just start adding resources. In this case, I'll add a document library called Marketing Document Lib. And then I just hit OK and save changes, and the resource has been created. So now I can hit done. Obviously, we could create more if we wanted to, but for this demo, we'll stop here. And that's the basics of deployment. Incredibly easy. So now let's walk through an end user's experience of accessing these SharePoint resources. As an example, let's say I'm a member of the marketing department. I start with customizing my WebTop by adding a new blank page, which I'm going to call My SharePoint. And then I add objects and select SharePoint, where you can see that I have my marketing docs library. Selecting this gives me a preview of the library, which I can now just grab and drag down to add it to the content area of my SharePoint page. And that's it. I can now access all my SharePoint resources using this Page tab on my WebTop. As you can see, here are my documents. And I can just select a document I want to access, for example, and click to edit it in MS Word, edit it in the browser, open it in a hosted edition of Word, etc. Now all of this demonstrates how easy it is to deploy and use SharePoint through our WebTop interface. But another reason so many companies are so excited to adopt these SharePoint features through our WebTop is because we have integrated it with our Cloud File Manager. Let me show you. On the left here, I have a listing of both my hosted files and SharePoint files. As an example, I'm going to navigate to a file in my hosted file system. I select and choose to copy it. Then I go to my SharePoint files, where I can see the folders I created previously, and I navigate to the location I want to put my new SharePoint resource. In this case, it's my marketing folder. Now I just click and select Paste to drop the file into my marketing document library. And that's it. With this kind of seamless integration with our WebTop, deploying and using SharePoint couldn't be easier.